Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Avengers TV. It's an international friendly. Bavana 0, Nikagawa 0. I'm joined by Abuti Wadikuchi.
Hey, Stibo, how's it?
I'm Nandi Prache.
Asha Prayam.
Sure.
Congratulate Lama Chairman.
Congrats, champ.
Yes.
Congrats, champ.
Not just champ, treble champ.
Double champ.
Yes.
Stand up. Congrats, double champ.
Yes. Yeah. Stibo, he came here namhlanje ne? Sorry guys. He came here today ne? You can't take much from it. Here's why.
Yeah.
He came here today. Begui warm up.
Yes.
You can't. Ngiyazwa abantu mabalo bathi were unable to beat ama team. It was a warm up game. It was also an opportunity for fans to see their team before they depart to America.
Yes, Prachi.
Stibo, you must also understand. If uzodlala tough kule game, you are running a risk of getting injuries.
True.
Mawuthola injuries, players will be dropped.
So
lana bekukuthi it's a warm up, but over and above that, let's allow fans to see their players before they leave.
Yes, Prachi.
So to me it was very important ukuthi sibabone before bahamba.
Sure, Prachi.
Stibo, I feel sorry for our players.
Yeah.
Athathiwe Hugo Bros.
Yes, Prachi.
Makafike endaweni wawadropa.
Yes.
The best thing that the coach should have done bekukuthi call them individually laba bahambayo.
Yeah.
And then bese nibanikeza ivenue ukuthi bakuphi.
Sure.
Don't call the entire team. Uyoyi-embarrassa lapha phambi kwabantu.
Live.
And then ubabizele emakhoneni uthi Jens, I'm sorry. You could have avoided that situation. In a sense yokuthi just call them and tell them ukuthi hey, you are not part of a selection. Or rather don't introduce the preliminary
squad.
Kala choose ama players waziyo ukuthi uyowa-use.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
So Stibo, let's address the issue of a selection of players.
Bangene, Prachi.
We are not going to be entirely satisfied nge-selection yama players.
Yes.
But if you are not satisfied nge-selection yama players, awulahli team yakho uthi uyosupport enye. Mina for the whole season,
yes,
I've been blaming ucoach Wadu ngokuthi ufake lo akafakanga lo. But you'll never see me wearing i-jersey opposition. Because I differ with Wadu. I don't do that. So I'm saying to the fans of South African football, it's an embarrassment ukuthi for the second time, because we went to CAF. The same thing happened. People were even studying our national anthem of other teams. I don't know their names.
I do.
Yeah. but Stibo, over and above that, we are now going to the World Cup.
Yes.
And people are still singing the same thing. Coach akakhetanga abantu bethu, therefore. Coach will never satisfy everybody. Kuna players that mina personally I feel ukuthi they should have included. Matthew from Sundowns. Peterson from Kaizer Chiefs. Maswanganye from Orlando Pirates. Ndlovu from Golden Arrows. Matwele. Those players we wish they can go to overseas. But it can't be all of them. Abazohamba by overseas. So i-role yethu as ama supporters is to support the team. Unless if we have forgotten our role. Our role is to support the team. That's why sibiza ama supporters.
We are not coaches.
So manje mase sofuna ukuzenza ama coaches selector senzani. We are dividing the country unnecessarily. So I'm saying Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns, Amazulu, you are lucky because one of your players ikona kubafana bafana. Imagine a team engena next, but you'll never hear those people talking but they are not going to support the team. So I'm saying let's rally behind the team. Let's be united as a team. Mabahamba by USA will be at the airport. Siyabonga Steve.
Thank you, Prachi.